Hi folks, it's nice to be with you folks again. It's also very nice to present this Tech Titbits video because what I have for you today will definitely interest you, even if you can see. But it really interested me when I came across it. So let's jump in without further ado. The first tech tip I have for you today, and just that you know, and that if there are questions regarding this, this works with JAWS, NVDA, and also narrator. Right, so what I have for you for the first one is a little feature called Clipboard History. Okay, so Clipboard History, you may wonder to yourself, where on earth will you use it? Now, you copy text on a daily basis and you copy images to your clipboard and things. And there may be times that you would want to refer back to it and maybe find it somewhere and then it's gone. If you haven't restarted your system, then it's not gone. You can find it in the clipboard history. And I'm going to prove that to you. To just first make sure that your clipboard history is set up, you can head over to Start.
Search box edit, type in text.
And type the word clipboard.
CLIP, clipboard settings, system settings, press right to switch preview, clipboard settings, system settings, press right to switch preview.
I just typed clip. Now, as you know, then by now it said system settings. You heard that. Because that is where it actually is hidden in the system settings. But this is a shortcut or a short way to get to it. I'll press enter.
Enter. Settings. Settings. Clip.
Now I am presented with a toggle button, which I will press to toggle on and off with the space bar.
Clipboard history button on.
Mine is set to on. It was off. It's off by default, but you can basically then just turn it on and you can go out of this dialog by closing it, Alt F4.
Alt F4, desktop.
I'm going to go to WordPad.
Document WordPad, edit, type in text.
And I will demonstrate the second feature to you that I want to speak about while I demonstrate the first one. Neat, hey? Yes, thank you very much. So how we'll do this is the second feature I would like to demonstrate is a thing called voice typing. And I can promise you, you may find that interesting and useful. Because if you are in a document or even in WhatsApp or in any place where you can basically type text, then you will want to maybe type the text using your voice. It's a bit faster. Well, unless you can type very fast. But maybe some of you folks can. And once again, I think this one bird, both birds of mine in the background may be prone to agree or disagree. But so I'm going to press Windows key H for hotel and type the first sentence.
Windows H, pop-up post, type in text.
Hello, this is just
Document WordPad, edit, contains text, type in text.
Ooh.
Hello, this is just a...
No, that's not what I want to do.
Oh, select, blank, select.
Let's start again. Windows key H, I hold in the Windows key and press an H. You can let it go, but otherwise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the Windows key in and see if what will happen.
Windows H.
This is just my first sentence to test if it will work. Full stop. And I press the Control key to just indicate that I'm done with typing. So let's read this.
This is just my first sentence to test if it'll work.
Ah, wonderful. Isn't that nice? So let's select that piece of text.
Home. Selected. This is just copied selection to clipboard.
And then we'll just
Blank. Selection.
delete the selection and just paste the same sentence there quickly, just so that it has gone through the clipboard.
Pasted from clipboard. Blank. This is just my first sentence.
Okay,
Home.
so let's delete the sentence.
Select. Blank. Selection deleted.
Now, I am going to type a second sentence. Okay, totally different.
Windows H.
Now we will understand that this is a small little computer test. Let's see what the Windows H did there.
Now we will understand that this is a small little computer test. Now we will understand that this is a small little computer test.
No mistakes, no nothing. Excellent. Even if you had some punctuations and stuff, it can also do that. Let me copy the sentence.
Selected. Copied selection to clipboard.
And let me delete it.
Blank. Selection pasted from clipboard.
And just paste it again, just so that it went through the clipboard. So I'm going to close WordPad now.
Alt F4. WordPad dialog. Don't save. Enter. Desktop.
Now we are going to go and say Windows V for vector and check what is in the clipboard history.
Windows V. Pop-up O. Now we will understand that this is a small little computer test. 1 of 4. This is just my first sentence to test if it'll work. 2 of 4. This can be a small test. 3 of 4. This is a test. 4 of 4. Escape folder.
You will notice that there are 4 items in my clipboard history. Why? It's the 2 items that we just typed using the voice typing feature. And then 2 other little things that I also put in my clipboard earlier today. So, there you have it, folks. You can use the voice typing and also have a nice history of what is in your clipboard. Folks, I hope that you've enjoyed this just as much as I have. And once again, thanks for all the comments, people. This really helps. This really boosts my morale. And this makes it worth it. Thank you so much from my side. See you then and hear you then, and hopefully all will be fine then on Friday for Jaws lesson 3, if I'm not mistaken.